I am so late. Oh, gee. Good morning, guys. Why is this not showing up? Where is the PNL? This is my PNL for today. I don't know what happened here, to be honest. We'll talk about it, but it's a new account, so I don't really care. Oh. So we're getting very close to a big payout again. Very big volatile day. Be very careful out there. I'd love to know what happened here on this account. Why did I get stopped out? I guess I didn't have enough drawdown. I don't really know why I wouldn't have full drawdown on that account. But unfortunately, I got top ticked. I show you. See if it shows the entries and exits. Try to trade the 10 o'clock news. Trying to go with the momentum, went short. Of course, got ran over. Let's see if it shows it. How you guys doing? How's everyone doing? Let me pull up the chat. All the members are here. Marco, congrats on your first payout. Kind of. It's not showing the entries, exits. I don't know why Quantower does that sometimes. Something equity. Like, why was my drawdown at not full amount? Oh, see, look, this is where I got stopped out. Look how painful. I mean, tough entry, and then just the range is insane today, though. Like the range, I mean, that was a 33-point stop, so that's a pretty big stop. But I don't know why I would have been saved, but I don't know why my max. There's something happened, but I didn't notice that my max drawdown wasn't all the way up. But at first I was like kind of pissed off, but then I realized it's a new account, so because I was in this trade on two accounts, so I thought it was the other one that lost. But guys, all the accounts have made it to payout value. Okay, so this is a new account and this was a new account, so those didn't count. But the other 15, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 accounts at payout, and they're all pretty much good to go. The only thing is I know I had like a bigger day, so I gotta probably make a little bit more profit if I don't want to mess with the consistency rule. But that just means I gotta make a little bit over 3,000. But like these accounts are gonna be basically like these accounts I'm gonna flip today. These were traded today, so they're gonna be on day 8. So I just gotta flip them for 2 days. Account 116.92 might need to be traded more, but PNL wise, I'm there. So, did I trade 116? Please tell me I did. Okay, 116 was traded and 99 was traded. Okay. 98. Yes, okay. So all the accounts were traded that I needed. The consistency rules per day. But if I get this 30K payout, that's insane. Based on how this month started, I don't know if you guys remember, but on February 29th, I lost a lot of accounts and I thought this month was ruined. And right before this trade, I took a shower and stuff. And right before this news trade, I said to myself, wow, I didn't lose a single account this week. That's how it works. That's how it works. That is crazy. Here I thought I was in a 5-day winning streak, not losing accounts, but unfortunately last second I lost. Let's request a payout while we're at it. Okay, so we go to Apex's payout page. Wish you guys could see. Then we're gonna request a payout for these 4 accounts. So it's gonna be a $8,000 request. Request 1. Request 2. The website like glitches a little bit, but once I refresh it, you'll see that it's gonna show up. Refresh, and we got 4 accounts pending. But what the hell happened? Apex deleted the payouts from last year, guys. Did that happen to you too? The payouts from last year are not showing up on here. That's lame. Oh, the blown accounts. Oh, maybe that's what it is. Lucas, but so if they deleted from last request, then yeah, it's only active accounts now. Yeah, someone has a good eye. I wonder why they did that. Alexander, I just do the opening trade. I just do the opening trade. I record it every day. I'm gonna ask one of the guys from Discord why. But it's also definitely payouts from last year gone because I believe I had accounts from last year. I mean, unless I didn't get a payout from them last year, maybe. I know like I know for a fact these accounts are from last year. The sub 100 accounts are from last year, but maybe I didn't get a payout from them last year. Maybe I just started trading them in December. But I don't know. Someone else, does anyone else have their payouts? Do you still have an account from, let's say, last year and you didn't blow it yet. I mean, most people do blow the accounts. I mean, it's been 3 months, but maybe there's one person. Jason, no. Did you restart your quant tower before you started trading today? Well, yeah, that sometimes happens due to volatility. Yeah, I mean, when you trade huge volatility, that could happen. Yes, that's normal. That's the risk you take, but that's just a glitch in the data display. It's a visual glitch. The price actually gets there. It's just a visual glitch. All right, so that's okay. Before I forget, let's also request my bull knox payout because I've been forgetting that. Let's request the bull knox payout. $1,500. Signature like an ass. The only thing is I gotta make sure which account's which. So 41 is no 41. Count 41 is $1,000 withdrawal. That's 31. Okay. Bolnox names their account so weird. Like it's not like a sequence. It's so weird. 12. Oh, it's the date the account starts, I think. Maybe? No. 12, 14. I don't know what the whatever, but I'm gonna submit. All right, so that's that. Let's go one more time. Like Bolnock's a little bit old school. My mom's here cleaning. And this is the second payout. So that's $10,500. So what's the math? I'm trying to do the math. So at least it's at least a 20K month. So I'm already happy with that, but I think it could be a 45K month. Requested 30. I requested 8. So 8. Oh, I can't even do the math. Whatever. It's a lot of money. Do you have to use a stop loss and take profit on Apex? No. That should not be even allowed by prop firms. Because you could take a stop loss and take profit by manual trading. Did I get my payout? No. Like I said, probably Friday. I mean, Monday. All right, let's work on that eval that we've been working on yesterday. Roni, like I'm still waiting for a payout from from March 5th. So probably I feel like they send it out on 15th or 14th sometimes. I don't know how long it takes to really clear. Who knows? But it's been a little late lately. But they say they have to send it out by the 15th. They don't say you have to receive it. There's international traders that already received theirs. There's people that use the international method and already got it. Am I back to 20 accounts already? No, I'm back. Now I'm at 16. But I've obviously I'm at 20 with the other prop firms, but not with Apex. These are my elite trader funding accounts. Up $800 on 2 of them. I don't think elite trader funding allows you to take out the safety net, right? Do they? I don't even know. I don't think they do, so so I'm not even counting that as my profit. Is it true that you could flip 2 days out of 10 for a funded account? Of course. Let me show you this. So this is my like day tracker that I had to make because I was confused. So I marked the days green when I was over 10 days, but like see like this account's a day 8 and 8 and 8, right? So three accounts on day number 8 as of yesterday. So today I did not trade those accounts. Today I know I could just flip them because I know I have enough profit in them. Same thing with this one. I'm just gonna flip this one, say account 125. Because account 125 has $4,200 in it. So I know I'm good. So I'm just gonna open and close a trade. And I should do that now before I freaking forget. NQ is super volatile today. I mean, even right in pre-market, it was I mean, from 7 a.m. It's pretty violent. Basically a 300-point move. If you look at the month on a daily or 4-hour chart, rather, it's a big daily's looking a little weak too. It might die off now. We'll see. Peter, you don't have to trade those days. I was so excited not to lose a funded account this week, and boom. I don't know what happened. I wouldn't have lost it if I had full drawdown on it. Um, Maximum strength. What did you trade? Was the trade volatile? Check your rhythmic. Oh, interesting. I have no idea, but that's not good. Like, hobby trading has so many risks involved, but that's weird. You paid yesterday, you signed it, but the P account did not come. Email them. I happened to me yesterday with the 150K account, and they said it didn't get assigned, so they fixed it. Just open the ticket. Now we're like back to, so let's go back to the 20-second chart that we were using yesterday. I really liked it. Whoa, whoa, whoa. I need $1,000 on this account. Kidding me? There we go. Fill me. Wow. Oh, that's $100. Hmm. Trying to go back with the trend, but this is the trend reversing. That's the. Yep, this is eval. I did trade. I see I broke my rule. I did trade after the open today and I lost an account. See how fast that happens? Like this account I lost at 10 a.m. But whatever. I'm happy it was a new account and I got all my accounts that I wanted over 52,600. So now I just got to build a little bit of cushion on them. First day on the 150K account. I really need to work on more 150K accounts. Because days like these would be really game changing. Quick scalps. This volatility, as long as you read the market kind of right, it should be easy to scalp. I love trading with the hotkeys though. The PNL is right here. This is an eval. Well, the PNL up there. That's only funded accounts. But I'm actually gonna. There we go. Do I recommend lifetime subscription? No, I recommend monthly unless you know you could keep the account longer than 2 months. The tricks with copy trading, having the working orders out, like the window open, that is a must. Having couple extra charts open on your screen if you can. If you fit the charts on your screen, have the other accounts open with that. You know, have the charts open with that account that you're copy trading into, so then you could see that account as well. That's another trick. But yeah, it gets a little hairy with partial fills. That's something you get comfortable with experience. Yeah, it's a couple minutes to get your funded account. The fuck is that? What kind of bug was that? All right, $200 made. Let's keep going. But this volatility though is slowing down, and I don't know if it wants to go up or down. That's the obvious trend right now is to go to the upside. But this could change so quickly because it's struggling to go up. It's not like it's going up with a lot of momentum. That's why I'm short selling for the most part. I think I could just do a rug pull. Let's go, Trader's Trick. If you get a payout with that account, I'm gonna be so happy. You're approved for first payout. Let's go. It all starts with the first payout, guys. All starts with the first payout. The first payout pays for some accounts, right? So the first payout shouldn't be something you spend. First payout is something you reinvest. Not financial advice, of course. But that's what I did. And now the payouts are coming in every 2 weeks, and I don't have to touch that money. I guess the long was the proper play. Oh. A lot of volume on this candle. Second payout pending. There we go. I feel like Apex might have a record month of payouts. Yeah, the new prop firms you have to be careful with. There's a couple new prop firms out there that allow a lot of accounts, but that's not a pyramid scheme. But yes, that's how it works. Obviously, that's common sense if you ask me. How else would they make money? Your insurance company is a pyramid scheme in that case. I don't really care what it is because I know we could all make money. It's not a scam, so it's whatever. I said it in my Discord today. That's what my debate was about. That's what my debate was about this morning in my Discord with something that came. Someone recovered something about some other CEO of another company, and like these companies that say they're here for us, for traders, it's like nah, not really. That's why I like Apex. Apex is always like about payouts. Payouts are the most important thing, and that's what it's about me for. Like I care about payouts too. Prop firms that say like, oh, we're here to you know look out for the trader long term, so we want to put them live, or all those different things that they say is such a bunch of crap. It's bunch of crap. These prop firms want us to obviously they want us to win because they need people to win to make money. But at the end of the day, for them to be profitable, they have to have people losing too. So it's like, that's how the market works, guys. Just be happy that we have this. That's what I'm saying. Like, unless you trade your own account, you don't really know what it feels like to lose 5 grand in one single day. Even when you lose 5 grand in the funded account, like of your own profit, it doesn't feel as bad as losing 5K of your own money. Mark, nope. They will not deny you a payout as long as you have actual trading days and not just flipping. They will not deny you, don't you worry. But Apex is like, it's so easy to make money with Apex. Like after a while, like you can't blame Apex because making money with Apex is actually very easy. Um, in my experience and in the experience of others that we've seen, it's much easier than other platforms to make big money with Apex. Other platforms, you could make money, but it's hard to make big money. You actually have to be a really, really good trader to make good money with other platforms. With Apex, on the other hand, you don't have to be that good of a trader because, again, you just need to make $3,000 on one account. If you copy trade, then, whatever accounts you have, let's say you have 10 accounts, you make $3,000. That copies over 10 accounts. Technically, you only made $3,000, but you're getting a 20K payout. And it's just, I mean, look at trades by Matt. I mean, he's like a perfect example. He could never make a big payout with Top Step, and here he's getting fat payouts with Apex. Other prop firms just can't compete, but I use other prop firms to try them out so I could have a, because I don't talk crap about prop firms because I don't think that's fair. I think people that talk crap about prop firms, especially like CEOs and higher ups in companies, I think that kind of is lame. But if I don't like a prop firm, there's gonna be a reason for it, and I'm just not gonna use them. But if they pay me and I know they pay other people, then I don't really care. I'm not gonna trash them. It's just it doesn't suit my style of trading. It's a way big difference. The hardest part of Apex is not blowing up the account in 10 trading days. Yes, but if you can't trade for 10 days, then why do you think you deserve to get paid in the first place, you know? You're not gonna get paid on the real account if you don't trade, you know, for 10 days straight. Like on your live own account, you're not gonna make, what, you're gonna trade for 1 day and that's it? No. Well, Matt could be unprofitable, but he's getting a big payout from Apex now. I don't know. I'm gonna start tracking it soon, but being profitable is kind of like a gray area when it comes to prop firms because, well, like for Matt, like I don't know, they probably got free accounts from Top Step in the past because I know they had an exclusive agreement with Top Step, right? Patrick and Matt had an exclusive agreement. So I wouldn't be surprised if they got free accounts, especially free evals. So I don't know how much money he spent. So when you talk about being a profitable trader, you got to compare what they spent on evals versus what they got paid out. But I always liked Matt. I mean, Matt is more chill, you know, doesn't scream. But I don't know. To each their own. There's so many YouTube channels, guys, so I appreciate you tuning into my channel. There's a new YouTube channel every single day that I see. Very good point, Nathan. Yeah. Yeah, exactly, Jason. I get triggered when people come in here and like, oh, do this. Oh, take this trade. Like it really, we're just hanging out. You guys are trading your own. I'm not trying to make you take a different trade because that's the worst part is like if I am short biased right now and you are long biased and I tell you like it's a good short, but you think it's a good long. So you're not going to take the long because you think that I know better than you. So you're not going to listen to yourself. You're going to just either not take the trade or worst case, you're going to take the short and then you lose on that short. You're going to be like, what the hell, you know? So I don't want to give you any influence on your decision making or on your trades. I'm just showing you guys my trades. I mean, they're happening in seconds. This is a 20-second chart, and I'm so far liking it. So far, I'm liking it. I've been doing pretty well on it. I'm only doing 4 ticks, but I could definitely do a little bit more. These are all short trades, so these are all like easy wins if I go for bigger targets. So let's do 5. So at least it's $40 per trade. Yeah, half. I mean, I don't doubt it. I know Matt was right on Top Step. But that's the thing. You have to embrace that. Like I don't know exactly what my numbers are because it's hard to calculate. But I'm probably red myself. When you take the fair value of each account, I'm probably red myself. But at the same time, it's hard to say because a lot of times we lose accounts when they're in profit, right? Or break even because we hit the drawdown, but we already took a payout or whatever it might be. So, so if we just do basic math, I have 135 funded accounts. I've taken a payout now 70 times, 70 accounts or 70, you know, total. Now, some of those accounts got more than one payout, so now that's hard to calculate. But let's say if 70 of those accounts, No, not 70. Let's say 50. Price. All right, 50. Let's just make it easy. 50 accounts. If I got payouts out of 50 accounts, I got 70 total payouts, whatever it is. Now they deleted it, so I can't see. If I got 70 payouts from 50 accounts total, that means I only lost money on the other accounts, on like 70 to 80 accounts I lost, right? Now I know I lost a bunch of accounts that were at profit, right? Like if I lose this account or this account, I didn't lose any money. I broke even on the account, so you can't count that as a loss, right? So I might be green overall on Apex, but I would never know. But maybe I'm gonna start tracking it just for fun. Maybe I'll start tracking it just for fun. I don't know if going live sucks. I don't know if there's any. When you go live with the prop firm, I don't know if there's any difference. If it's just, if you're used to trading one account, I don't think there's any difference. It's like with Apex, I feel so much more comfortable with multiple accounts. Fernando, how many accounts did I blow out before passing? I have no idea, to be honest. I wouldn't be able to see that unless I went back to my live videos from back in the day. The only thing I know is I got a payout from account 4 and 5. That I do know. Yeah, bull knox activations are expensive, but 148 is basically same as Top Step. And same as, almost same as Apex. LED, I have no idea. It's a good question. Like I know on Apex you can't. But maybe on Top Step you can. I gotta ask Bull Knox if they allow that. Oh, I don't feel like working tonight. You lost another PA account? Yeah, I lost a PA account trading it. I chased at 10 o'clock news. It was a new PA account though. I was so excited. I was like, oh. So I traded the open, did well. And after the open, I took a shower. Was getting ready for stream. And I was like, oh, I didn't lose a single funded account this week. And boom, 10 o'clock news. I trade it. I was like, oh, it should be volatile enough. It wasn't volatile enough. Why not? Because the pay sucks. Because this gig I'm doing tonight is a photo booth gig. It's for it's a fundraiser. And the way I charge them is last year is just so I wouldn't lose money. I would pay for my supplies, I would pay for my employee, and then I don't really care, right? It's whatever. But this year he can't work, and I have another photo booth somewhere else, so I gotta do it. I don't know, just lazy now. Just prefer trading. But it puts it in perspective too. I really am enjoying the 20-second chart. Are weddings good places to meet ladies? Kind of. Not always though. A lot of times they have dates. But Lilu sucks. Lilu is actually like very like I don't know anyone that got paid from Lilu, so I don't know. But like Lilu rules are just like who would ever sign up with them? Slaya, what's going on? What made you try the 20-second chart? I don't know. I used it in the past, but 25 days for the first payout, plus the payout is limited, like crazy limited. I mean, I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it because I want to get paid from every prop firm that I ever tried. And I tried Lilu back in the day. In 2021 is how I started with futures with Lilu. And I was so close to a payout. I was like today's Friday, and on Monday I was able to take a payout, and I blew that account on Friday. It was a day like today where it was just selling off like crazy, and today I was 10 days and $2,600 away from taking a payout, and you blew the account. Pretty funny. That was a good one. Fridays can be tricky. Fridays are tricky because they could ruin the weekend. I like Tuesdays the most. I don't know why. Monday, you have those jitters, like hoping everything works, and then there's an update with the car, guys. I'm not gonna say yet, but I think I'm still gonna be able to get the car this year. There's a fall delivery option. So the one that was supposed to be in June, I didn't take that one, but I felt like that was too soon. But there's one in the fall, so it's gonna be perfect. So the reason why I hesitated on the June delivery, there's a couple reasons, but one of the reasons is the day I decided I'm gonna probably get it is when I lost 10 accounts. All right, that was February 29th, leap year. February 29th, I lost a big chunk. So I thought this month was ruined. All right, so I thought this month was ruined. I was like, whatever, this month I'm gonna aim for 10, 15 grand of payouts, and then we're just gonna rebuild in April. But just like that, I'm back over, you know, 40K in payout probably this month. And with the 1 day pass, it's just a huge game changer. How fast you could you know, replace the account. You should take delivery in Germany. I could, but I work a lot in the fall. Corbin, you could try emailing them really quick. See if they would fix it for you or give you this refund. Johnny B, I've had it for a while. I just never activated it. Well, no, not really. I had to trade it for 3 days type of thing. And then I had it yesterday, but I wouldn't activate. I had to email them. Whoa. Like these candles seem like they're big, but it's again a 20-second chart, so it's like okay. All right, 500 bucks away, 550 away from passing. That's the mission today. Before 1 o'clock. What do I trade mostly? I only trade NQ. I trade an opening range trade. That's my main bread and butter. And then I scalp throughout the day. But last week I had a rough week. So I took a timeout on scalping this week. So I'm just getting back into it on evals. Back to normal trading next week? No, not yet. I have to pass some evals first. I have to pass some evals and not lose an eval in between. I went long at the open. There's a huge range this morning. It was insane. It was actually pretty scary. Like my 20 ticks looked like 22 ticks looked like it was like a little piece of the chart. Did I get stuff there? Let's see. There we go. I'm just gonna take it off. Wish that just fell apart. Would have been nice. All right. 430 away. I love this tight range. But I know it's gonna break out of it soon. Ninja does seconds. No? I could have sworn I've seen it. LA to BK? No, I don't know. What do you mean by that? I made 1171 today. Should I lose intentionally? No, you don't want to lose intentionally because you're gonna lose the drawdown. Are you on the funded account? Can you scalp on Top Step? You can, as long as you have a rhythmic connection. If you do the trade of a connection, then no. Well, you can, but 15 ticks minimum. All right, so 1171. How many days are you on, Nat, NAT? Nat's Nat. How many days are you on? Damn, I got lucky on that trade. Okay, today's day number 1. Okay. You got to make $3,900 in the account. Okay. It sounds bad, but you already made 1171. So you only got to make $2,700 more in the next 9 days. It's really not that bad. Your best day times 3.33 or divide by 0.3. Yep. It's really not that bad. Frost. Yes, yes. You could scalp manually. I didn't think of that. That's what I was saying. You could actually scalp on Top Step. It's just the trader rate from Top Step won't let you set a target for less than 15 ticks. I mean, for less than 15 ticks. But manually, you could do it. $200 trades. Damn. For bull knocks, can I flip micros? Yes, that's what I do. Thanks for the reminder, by the way. I got to do that myself. Let me just see how many days I'm on. The bull knocks. Oh, I'm already on days 5. Oh, I already passed. Let's go. I already passed bull knocks. Okay, pass qualification. Gonna email them. I'm here for the $4,000 loss. Did I miss it? What do you mean? Yeah, they pay out. I don't. There we go. This is the short I was looking for. Come on, one more push down. One more push down. Nah, it's not going. I'm setting a break-even stop. I don't really like this. I could just take the profit, but I wanted to see if I could get a bigger winner. I need like a push down. I'm gonna get out. Come on. I finally passed my first ever Knox account. If I submit it today, do I have to wait till Monday? Yeah, most likely. Kai, they're pretty slow. Thanks for tuning in. Appreciate you. Stuffing. Now it's gonna fall apart. All right, getting closer. See, how can I win all these scalps and then some days I can't win one? I took the um took the baby out yesterday for a car wash. Why is that such a big picture? That's my interior, custom made. I went into today with 9 PAs, 50 Ks. 2 are on day 10. 3 are on day 1. 1 is on day 2. And it's killing me. You blew up 3 and it's killing you. How old were they? And it's gonna kill you, but but you have to look at it from the payout perspective. I mean, it's frustrating. If they're on day 1, then don't worry about it. Tom, yeah, I am gonna miss it. That's the thing. Yesterday I drove the car and I was like, oh my god, I'm gonna miss the convertible. You drive a 911 turbo? Yeah, I did notice that. And Butcher. Do I stream the opening range trade? No. I only lost. It's too easy to copy, and I only lost twice on it since November. I don't want to kill the edge. Not in the sense of the market, but in the sense of prop firms. But there's a bunch of people that trade my opening range trade on their own. When you hang out all the time, you'll get hints on how I do it. I went long today. Both would have worked. Both should have worked. What a weak market today, though. We are on a daily support level, so just gotta be a little careful here, but that's the low from February 28th right here, when the market started to rip. $300 away. How many ticks? 22. That's my like happy medium. I just look at charts. Adam, yeah, but it's the opening range. I just call it opening range trade because it happens at 9:30 a.m., but it's not like a traditional opening range trade. Yep, kind of. I am kind of like that. Just got to figure out the levels. That's the tricky part. But if you figure out the levels and you do it, then go for it. It works really well. You could do the ORT on NinjaTrader, yeah. I used to do it timed. I don't do it timed anymore. Rick's doing it. Yeah, yesterday at the car wash, they were putting PPF on Z06. C8 Z06. Is that the Corvette you like? Or you like the old one, the C7? Wow, going short, yeah. That means you were chasing at some point with too much size. But sometimes that's how it goes. I've done that before. It's crazy. The market seems so easy in hindsight, but the Z06, I could get the Z06 cheaper than the 911 I'm gonna get. Nah, not anymore. Rick's doing it. That's old news. Not anymore. You could get a Z06 for like 130, 140. Well, it's one day pass, guys. One day pass. That's the someone JJR, I think that was you. I was talking about the payouts and blowing accounts. With one day pass, it really is a game changer. I mean, it's if you have a good system to pass evals quickly, that's obviously part of the solution for me. I could pass evals. This is the hard way of passing evals, but this is how I practice trading, right? I'm trading this eval the same way I would scalp my funded account. So it's good practice, but this is not the optimal way for me to pass evals. It's OBS to stream. OBS is one option. Streamlabs is another option. It's the same software every streamer uses. There's only like 3 softwares that you could use. But how you make the layout, that's up to you. Yeah, any trader that says it's easy, usually they have a course to sell. Or they're just, if they're on YouTube or in the public space and they say it's easy, that means they're selling a course. If they're saying it's easy in in the chat, so if someone comes in here and tells us it's easy, just do this and it's easy, that means they're brand new to trading. And then just found success for 2-3 days and they think it's gonna always work. It's very easy to see right through it. That's why I get triggered when people say that. You guys know. All right, so in 2 contracts, let's see if that gets us out. If it doesn't, that gets us out. Okay. Very, very on point, Safe. All right, we're getting close to passing. That's when it gets a little tricky. I think it's Red Bull time, though. Because the coffee I drink in the morning is decaf. Because I would drink a decaf Red Bull. If that existed, I would drink a decaf Red Bull. How many days does it take to pass a Bull Knox eval? 5 days. Oh, still selling off, huh? I only got filled 1 contract. I'm really enjoying this 20-second chart. I know it works well when it's like choppy market, but when the market's trending and then it's violent, then the 20-second chart kind of is difficult. All right, $200 away, guys. $200 away. Hit those likes for me. How many likes do we have? 100. Wow, it sells off again. It keeps trapping. It keeps making me want to short. Esther, long time no see. How you doing? Jace Taylor, that's not true. It's easy when you are trained and not taught. Most traders are taught instead of being trained. The reason so many fail and so difficult because of lack of training. Okay. If you believe so, that's fine. I guess being a surgeon is easy too. Being a surgeon is very easy, guys. A brain surgery is very simple. That's what all the surgeons say. It's simple, anyone could do it. Just get some training and it's easy. Being a Formula One driver is very easy, guys. Just gotta get trained. Anyone could do it. I think I'm gonna. I heard tennis players make a lot of money. I think I'm gonna go get trained in tennis. It's easy. Play a few tournaments a year. Fun. I'm old, so it's perfect for me. That's how it sounds when you say trading is easy. Obviously, it's easier than that. Trading is definitely easier than, especially if you don't use your own capital. Trading without capital will be a lot easier than it is with capital, right? But same thing as surgery would be a lot easier if someone's life wasn't on the line. If that was a simulation, then doing surgery is a lot easier. But then you put the pressure on someone's life on your hands, then it's more difficult. Same thing as in sports. When you take a a penalty kick in soccer, when you take a free throw in basketball, when you have a penalty shot in hockey, when you have a field goal in football, it's easy in practice. It's easy in a game that does not matter if you're leading the game a lot. But when the championship's on the line, if the game's on the line, it becomes a lot more stressful. And that's how trading is. Trading, obviously, we trade with capital, so there's always capital on the line. You Forex. Unfortunately, I did not. I did not lose FPA at the open. I lost the PA at 10 o'clock. Christopher, no, 780 is actually 30% of 2600. So you don't even have to make 780 every day. You just got to make $2,600 on that account, and that's going to be 30%. 780 is perfect. That's what I aim for on my first day of PA accounts. Trading gets easier, but it's just never easy, you know? There's always going to be obstacles, and it's a difficult game. So it's like saying something to someone it's easy, it's kind of like a slap in their face. I don't think it's easy. Maybe it's easy for some people. I don't know. All right, guys, I'll be right back. Time goes by so fast. When I have to end the stream at 1 o'clock, time goes by so fast. So like, I'll stream for 4 hours today. Was it 4 hours? Not full 4 hours. But I've been trading for 4 hours, let's say. That 4 hours feels like an hour, and the 4 hours tonight at work is gonna feel like 10 hours. How is my ATR calculated? So right now I don't use the ATR because I only use the ATR on 1 minute chart. But the ATR is the last 13 candles. But I like the ATR based on 1 minute chart. So right now it's at 11, so that's pretty good. That means the volatility is not too low and it's not too high. Must be a photo booth gig. Yeah, Tom, and it's a fundraiser. So I booked this gig to do them a favor, and then I just sent one of my guys. They're happy because they're making their regular wage, and I don't lose any money on the gig. It covers all my expenses. But this year I gotta do it because none of my guys could work because I have another photo booth somewhere else for a wedding. So I'm making like I don't know, like 450 bucks on the photo booth. But I'll take it. I guess I wouldn't do anything else. I would be bored. I'll probably just hang out. I'll probably stream all day if I wasn't working though. This was a crazy week. But Tom, I was so excited to I have a DJ gig. I have a birthday party tomorrow. I have a birthday party tomorrow. I'm not looking forward to that. It's actually my track friends. Where's my picture from the track I have somewhere? So tomorrow I'm DJing a birthday party, and it's for this guy right here in the GT4. This is me right here. This is a Mini Cooper, yeah. You guys could see that this turn is, it seems easy, but it's actually very hard. You can see by how many skid marks there is, how many people lose the car right there, exactly like he did. So they lose the back end, the car starts spinning, they overcorrect, and they spin. But that was a scary one. But yeah. I'm the where is the picture? I lost it. That's me right here. I think I have a yeah, I have a better picture with that. You sent me. That's what makes it hard. Jace, that's what makes it hard. Obviously, the mental aspect of it. That's a cool picture. This car costs like 130,000. Like, I don't know if it would be worth buying this car. Would I have that much more fun in this car versus that car? It's pretty much the same chassis and stuff. Obviously, the suspension, everything's. This is a GT car, so it's so much more refined and stuff. But like, that's why I want to get a 911 instead of a GT4. Does it make you uncomfortable? No. I mean, I can't have a harness. That's the only thing that sucks. I can't have a harness, so like I flop around in the car, you know? Like after the whole day, you're sore. Never like used Trading Pit, so I wouldn't know. There's something about them I didn't like. I don't know what it was. I don't know why I don't have a target set on this, but I don't. So we're gonna just take a small scalp. All right, we're $170 away. So I'm gonna go get my Red Bull and I'll be back. Hit those likes for me, guys. Hit those likes. This Sunday we're doing a birthday party for my brother, which is on his birthday is on Monday, but we're doing a birthday party on Sunday. I will try to stream on Sunday though. I think we might be done by that time, by 6 o'clock. I don't know exactly though. But if we are done, then I'll be streaming and then we'll do a giveaway. HFT and scalping is two different things. HFT is like you go high frequency trading is one tick trading basically. That's how the market's created by algos. Did I short my open trade? No, I longed it. But short would have worked as well. Yeah, the fake education courses are really bad. That's how the problem is there's so much money in that I don't know. I spent money. I spent a lot of money on educational courses in my early days. And I learned the one thing I learned from the chat rooms is all the traders are profitable trade differently. Every trader that's profitable trades differently from the next person that's profitable. Even if they're in the same chat room, even if they're best friends, they trade differently. And I started to realize, watch what the traders do, not what they say. That's number one. Number one rule of day trading is watch what they do, not what they say, because they'll never say exactly. Because a lot of times what they do is not textbook. It seems risky, so they don't want to say that to someone new. So they'll say the right things, like use proper risk management. These guys are using the widest stops. They use crazy risk, yet they're teaching risk management, right? But then they don't use it themselves, and that's how they're so successful. I mean, there's so many different things you look at, what they say versus what they do. And then there's another thing. Some traders don't even trade that teach, you know? I'm not going to name anyone, but there's plenty of traders that don't make money trading or don't make a lot of money trading. But they promote the lifestyle of... That's the thing. The stigma and the stereotype of day trader is vacations, luxury cars, expensive clothes, materialistic stuff, freedom. There's so many things about trading out there that makes it just cringe. How about we just make a normal salary? That's what I was planning for. Now it's going a lot better. But my goal was to make, if I make 100K trading on top of my DJ business, that is a second full-time job that a lot of people have, and they have to work full-time for it, and it's a great income. It's not gonna buy you a Lamborghini, but it's great money, right? For you guys, if you're younger, for example, I mean, break it down. See how much money, what's the best job that you could get right now without having a career? So, like that means you go to work to a restaurant, you go, drive Amazon, Uber, whatever it might be, and calculate how much money you can make there, and then see if you can make that trading and how easy it would be to make that trading with prop firms like Apex. Like when you start doing the math, or like every time I go to my barber, I'm like, how many haircuts does he have to do to make one payout? UPS is 170, but that's way later. You're not getting that job. Panda Express is paying 35 bucks an hour. That's insane. $35 an hour? Panda Express, I'm about to go work there. Hey, I'll eat free. Hang out. $35. Damn, I was making $13 an hour as an EMT. Damn. My first job was $6.25. 35 times 40. All right, but even at $35 an hour, which is a lot, right? $35 an hour, that's $1,400 a week. How many scalps, how many ticks is that? We just get very greedy when we trade. But how many ticks is that $1,400 a day? I mean, a week. That is 280 ticks. Then you divide that by 5. So that's 56 ticks a day that you have to make. And if you have 10 accounts, then that's only 6 ticks per account. That's per account. If you have multiple accounts, then you divide that by how many accounts you have. So if you have 5 accounts, divided by 5, you have 11 ticks. You take 2 trades like I'm taking right now, 4 ticks, and it's crazy how much easier it is to make money trading, but it's at the same time very difficult because then we see big payouts, we want the big money, If you would have told me last year, when I started in May, that I am going to make, what am I at on the year now? 107. 107 plus 30. So I'm almost at 140K. If I get the 30K payout, that's if I get it. That's 140,000, guys. Remember what I made when I made the video in January or end of December? My goal for this year was 150 total. If I'm gonna be at 140,000. For me, the tax is gonna be higher than that, unfortunately. I'm gonna be, just because I know how much money I'm gonna make with DJing. If I keep going like this with trading, it's gonna be close to 40%. That's if I keep going at this rate. What are my expenses associated with opening accounts and paying for activation? I spent last year I spent 21,000 on Apex. But that includes a lot of accounts that I already had going into the year, but also I sucked in the beginning, you know. In the beginning I was breaking even. I only spent that much because I was able to get payouts. So I was able to spend that money and reinvest it. Because I didn't need the money. For Apex, are you taxed as a 1099? Yes. Alan, yeah, because you have federal taxes, state taxes, and self-employment taxes. So I'm counting it all together. Why is it hard to pass Top Step versus Apex? I don't know, JC, but that's how I feel as well. I feel like passing Top Step is so hard. What are the state taxes in New Jersey? I don't even know the percentage right now. On top of my head, I don't know the percentage. I just know what I pay. Chris, what's the difference between NEC and so non-employee compensation versus what's the other one? The other one is miscellaneous. What's the difference tax-wise? Chris, you don't have to do that on miscellaneous 1099? No, Flexi Trade is brand new. I don't have any experience with them. They kind of seem too good to be true, so I'm not gonna trust them for now. Eventually I might give them a try because obviously I have nothing to lose, and then I could see if they're legit or not. Most of my profits on the opening trade. A lot of them, yeah. Not all of them, but a lot. I make a lot of profit on like some of these accounts. I'm at 4,000 and high 3,000s, and I'm not even on 10 days. So that can't be just the open. That's also scalping. But at the same time, I'm also risking losing accounts because of scalping a lot faster. So it's like I make money on some accounts, but then I lose accounts more often too. So Rose, it's a hard question to answer. Is it triple witching? I thought that was end of the month. Maybe. I don't know. Oh, is it on the rollover weeks? When options are expiring, all that. I don't even know what it really means to the market itself. I think that's what they mean it is, Emma. Yeah, I like it. I like it in New Jersey, so I'm not gonna move just to save on taxes. I'm just gonna make more money. Okay, so I think Apex fixed the payout page. Yeah, okay. So Apex fixed the payout page. I just got notified. So we could see all the payouts still. So I just requested 8,000 today, and I'm gonna request more tonight, and I'm gonna request more on Monday and more on Tuesday. And you have till Wednesday to request. So these accounts, if you're brand new to Apex, these accounts, I submitted the payout. So I submitted the payout on day number 10, day number 11, day number 10, and day number 35. Monday, it's gonna start the new cycle of 10 days. Even if this doesn't get approved, it's gonna start a new cycle if I trade them. Actually, if I flip the accounts today, that's gonna count as a day number 1. I think today is gonna count as day number 1, which I'm gonna do. Because this is calculating how many days are registered in the account, right? It's 10. That means that was as of yesterday's close. As of today's close, this account's gonna be on 11 days. So I could technically flip this account today and it will be day number 1. And why you want to do that is because you get yourself a jump start on how many days you have. And this is important when it's a close window between payouts. So if there's a holiday going on, which we have Easter, so I'm sure market's going to be closed at least one day. So when it's a tight window between payouts, when you're waiting for the approval, and some people wait a long time, flip the accounts for 2 days, so at least you get the 2 flips out of the way. So then when you get approved, you only got to trade for 8 days instead of for 10 days. Does that make sense? Just get the flips out of the way, because I know people don't want to trade their accounts so they don't lose them. I'm not touching these accounts of actual trading until I get approved. But I'm going to flip them, and they'll be on day number 1 for next payout. Have I received my March 15 payment? No. I'm probably going to get it Monday. Monday, Tuesday. It's been late lately. They have to send it out by the 15th, but I feel like I don't know why it takes a while, but it takes a while. International traders got their payouts already. Some of them. Nah, Jace, I'm not really interested. I want my collaborations to be organic. How many payouts does he have? Total. All right, so I did the math wrong. So I'm at 22,500 in payouts right now. I said 20,500. It's 22.5. And I could still take out 22 more. So I could be at 44.5K total in the month, which would be my second best month. It'll be right in between January and February. How to turn off order confirmations in Quant Tower? You go to settings, confirmations, and warnings, and then check all this off. For 150K, yes, 5,100. $5,100 is what you need, which is not bad over 10 days. I'm just gonna trade a bigger size, so it's gonna be pretty much the same. I'm gonna trade 5 contracts on it at the open, and I should be able to get to 5,000 in 10 days. But we got more than 10 days now. We got plenty of time, so I might not even trade 5 contracts. But it would be good to have a cushion. Let's see. No, you can't take out 5,000. You can only take out 2,750. How do you compute the total daily P&L? Which one? This one? Or would have been a great week, guys. I should have never traded at 10 o'clock news. It wasn't even like a news trade. I just jumped in thinking there was gonna be momentum to the downside, so I jumped in and I got stopped out at the worst possible time. All right, guys, I'm gonna go get my Red Bull and I'll be right back. We're gonna stream till 1 o'clock, and we gotta make $177 to pass this eval. Be right back, guys. Peace. No one noticed. No one commented I wasn't wearing glasses. Yeah. I am back. Market's tanking still. Cold. Did you guys miss me? I didn't get lost, but took my time. Damn. Wow. Not a fun day to be a long trader. I think that's what I'm doing better today because I'm a short biased trader today. Usually I'm long biased. Man, you have to trade for 10 days. And then you can request a payout on the 15th through the 20th or the 1st through the 5th. All right, last $170. Can we make it? Can we make it happen? It's not easy to short like this because, yeah, exactly that. It could be, I could have been like the final stops. So I'm gonna wait a little bit, see how it reacts. Yeah, you don't want to chase into the moves because then you get stopped out on the move like this, and then I'm cold. I'm gonna go put on a sweater. Hold on, guys. Don't forget to hit that like. Helps the channel grow. I got that. Getting very close. Wow. But see, like the volume increased here. The volume had a huge increase here, and then that was like the final stops, maybe. Like in small caps, we used to call this a blow off move. So if you flip the chart upside down, this was like the final push, and then it would reverse. What's my spread? I don't know, one tick. I don't have level 2, so I don't know. How much is level 2 cost? Rhythmic add-ons. Oh, I could do second login. That's not bad. How much is the... Doesn't say how much it costs. I'm gonna try it. Let's see what I could see with level 2. Oh wait, why can't I buy it? Hmm. How come I don't see the option to buy the level 2? Market depth all. Oh, won't let me like buy it though. Anyone know how to buy level 2? Was Quant Tower hard for me in the beginning? No, it was actually very easy. I felt like Quant Tower was a lot easier than Ninja Trader. Trader Vate's the easiest when it comes to beginners, but you open up a chart, right? You open up a chart and then you just use this and then you just get used to that. I mean, there's really not much to it. With Ninja Trader, there's so many different things that you could do, like the ATMs and all that stuff. And with Quant Tower, I feel like it's so easy. Obviously, there's some settings you should play around with to make sure the confirmations are off and all that stuff. Have I received my payout from Apex? No. Yeah, I know Green Machine, but I don't see like a checkout. Like it won't let me check out. I don't know what I'm missing. Do I need a coupon code? Oh, you need a coupon code. Oh, okay. Market depth CME. I'm just gonna do market depth for CME, right? That's what we need. And Q is CME. Yeah. I don't think you have to use a code, but You had to select that. That's what it was. I didn't select. I agreed not to use a coupon code. That's what it was. Yeah, that's what it is. It's $10. Hell yeah! Sign me up. Per account or per username? Yeah, it didn't ask me which account I wanted, so it's per. I don't think it's per account. I think it's all the accounts are gonna work. Now I don't know how long that's gonna take to activate, but is this full level 2? I don't know what it's supposed to look like. Um, Market depth. This is yeah. So this is what it looks like without. This is on bull knox, right? So this is on bull knox, and look, I put it on Apex. I got level 2 now. Let's go. Now I feel like a real trader. See, the spread is 1 to 2 ticks. But level 2 on on small caps, it's crazy because you can see the big size and it actually matters. Here it's like, does it gonna really matter? So much more ask. Like, I don't know. I gotta figure out if I could read this better. Coloring tier 2. You gotta change the colors though. That's the thing. If we don't change the colors, then it's hard to like distinguish. We'll play around with it. We'll see. But having the Dom as an option is also cool. Damn. I like it long more now. After this stuff here. All right, $100 away. $100 away. Oh man. Ooh, shorts are a little stuck right now. One more trade, guys. One more trade. So 29.50 is our profit total on the account. It's gonna put us just shy, just shy of commissions. So I need 6 ticks, 6 ticks to be safe. But I'm just gonna do 5 ticks, and then just do one contract of 2 ticks. Here it goes. Final trade. Uh-oh. That's how it goes sometimes. All right, so we'll do this falls apart. It's not gonna be good. Uh-oh. Do I cut this and restart? Got a half hour to make this back. I might have to do that. Yeah, I'm gonna cut it. We're gonna have to restart over, guys. Damn it. Might not be able to pass this today. What a dummy I am. I didn't chase all day in one chase. It's all right. Still only gotta make 600 bucks. The markets keep selling off. It's gonna be easier actually. All right. Well, I'm glad I took that stop. Very glad. I would have been really pissed off if it kept going higher. Why does it fill me and take me out so fast? Because I'm only doing 5 ticks. This is only $50 at a time. It's quick scalping. Okay, another trade we're stuck in. Okay. Okay, market wants to play. A little hard to get now. It's got to pull back. Come on. There we go. There we go. Covered one. So I covered that ad. So that's a decent win there. It's should be able to recover a lot of that loss if I get never mind. Unbelievable. Damn, now I have no idea where the market wants to go. Now both sides are trapped. Damn, I think they trapped the shorts even more now. Oh well. Covered one there. I'm gonna get it back. Whatever, I lose this, I lose this. It's the end of the stream anyway. Gonna just hope that the 200 holds. Pulls back here. It's gonna be a shame because I was $50 away from passing. But that's how it goes sometimes. One bad mistake that you'd make, you trade out of the chop, and that's how it goes. That's why always when I scalp, I switch accounts. I'll trade, I'll make a little profit, I move to the next account, I move to the next account, because this could always happen. Because I made good profit today, so I would have moved on to new accounts already. But this is gonna blow the account for sure because the shorts are super trapped now. Now this was a trap. This was a decent trap, and now this was an icing on the cake, because now how many shorts got back in or added to average up from here, right? See if there's something we could see on the level too. I don't really know. It could be trapping both sides, but I think the shorts are trapped more now. But it could change so quickly, you know? But damn, if I would have been filled there, that would have been a huge win. I was so close. Makes me want to flip long, just go all in long now and hope for the best. Or my other option is to cut this and just do the opening range trade on this account and just pass it slowly next 3 days. Still 33 bucks. Damn, one trade away. All those trades and one trade away. We ruined. Come on, market. There we go. Just get us back down to. Come on, why is it trapping? Think I could. I'll cover that one I added here. How does the 1 minute look like? So 1 minute it's still fine. See, like 1 minute it's still like. That was a big bounce here though. Damn. See, I didn't realize this bounce was like that big. Because on the 20-second chart, you don't really see that. But we're gonna stick to it. Still got a chance. We still got a good chance, but I just feel like we're on the wrong side. But I hope I'm wrong. B Collins, I can't because I have work. Otherwise, I would. Screen recording software. If you have Windows 11, you have a screen recorder built in. The snipping tool. Snipping tool, you could record. OBS is good too. That's what I used to stream, but there we go. Come on, market. Trap those longs. That was a big fail there. But it needs to continue lower. Big move there. Big move. I cover one and add it on the pop. Or is this just going to fall apart? I'm going to cover one. I'll just add it back. Whatever. Still made profit on this trade even if I took a loss on that. I don't think I'm going to have enough time to pass this today. First, we got to survive this trade. But you see like the average, that's what I talk about all the time. You see how my average says it's 18,058? That is not my average. My average is this right there. That's where I entered. It just bounced right off my average. On this last contract. Because futures are first in, first out. I trade them as it's first in, last out. That's how I treat them. Mentally. So I ignored the PNL here. I'm watching the PNL here to see how much I'm up. So I'm up on the trade because I think we were at 2,300 before we took this trade. Which working orders would know? No, I still have it like this. There you go. Oh man. I'm not a huge fan of fighting this, but I chose to fight it. Wow. I'm on the complete wrong side of the move. Now it's time to buy the dips, it feels like. Same as before, is shorting the pops. Now it's like buy the dips. I hope I'm completely wrong. I don't like this kind of trading. It's so stressful. I feel like the market just something changed in the last few minutes. It almost feels like the last hour of trading. I feel like I just want to get out of this trade and just restart. Take 10 minutes. Oh, 10 minutes I gotta kind of end the stream. All right. I'm just gonna trail it by 2 candles here. That was annoying. So annoying. But we got it. Completely wrong. Like, see, like my emotions were the same way as this price action was moving. That's how my emotions were moving as well. Here I thought it was a long. Here I thought it was a short. Here I thought it was a long. Here I thought it was a long as well. And it's just like I was riding the roller coaster of emotions. Which are cooking lunch. I don't know what OPEX does to the market. I have no idea how it affects it. So when people say that, like I don't know how that changes anything. I feel like today didn't chop though. Today was a if you look on the daily chart, it didn't chop. Look, it's one solid candle here. I feel like that's it's not really a choppy day. You guys felt like it was choppy today? I feel like it's a trend day more than anything. Well, I'm glad I didn't go long all the way, because damn. See, that's why I don't like switching. Once I'm in the trade, I don't like switching bias, because once I'm in the trade, I don't want to switch bias too much because I don't know what the market's going to do. I just could assume, but I would have been completely wrong and I would have been really pissed. I took the trade, I took the risk, and that's it. Wow. New lows. New lows are made. All right, we're going to try. Got 10 minutes. Man, like, I could probably stay on till. Oh, let me see something. How far is this place? Half hour away. No, Apes trades. Not yet. Monday probably. I've actually received the payout before on a Saturday too. Rob, I don't know. I don't think there's a limit. I've done pretty much 18 before. Um, no giveaway today. Giveaway on Sunday. Sunday at 6 p.m. Hopefully, it's my brother's birthday, so we'll see how it's going. But I'll try to get on. If I don't get on for the open, I'll get on at like 7 p.m. But I know a lot of people are international. Richard, I went long at the open, but if I went short, it would have worked as well. Do I think Apex will do 90% off soon? Definitely not for next month. They're only gonna do it a couple times a year, I think now. I prefer, I mean, the 90% off one day pass is crazy. I never thought they would do that. This morning was tough, Richard, because of how volatile the morning was. I mean, the ATR this morning was super high, not like usual open. It was a tricky morning for sure. But that's the thing. You're gonna learn over time when you fail a few times. Why do I only have one contract? Come on, guy. Like, you shouldn't be. If you can't afford an eval, you shouldn't really be trading, guys. I don't know how to put that nicely, but that's dangerous. Which accounts? The other ones? Yeah, the other ones I don't need to trade. But I'm gonna flip them. I'm still gonna flip all of them. I requested a payout from 4 accounts today. So I requested a payout from these accounts, but I'm still gonna trade these accounts today, but I'm just gonna flip them, and that will count for day number 1 for the next payout window. And then tonight I should be able to request a payout, I think. Let me see, do I get... Today I'll get to request... Today I'll get to request another 4K tonight. And then some payouts on Monday, some payouts on Tuesday. But yeah, tonight I'll be able to request 4,000. But account 99, how much profit is in that account? That's the thing. Yeah, so like, but like this account, I'm not gonna take the payout yet. Like 99, it's at 52,649. Like, I don't know. This account, I got it from like $800 in drawdown left. So this is on day like 17 since last payout. So I was milking that account, and I don't know if I want to just take the payout on it or actually try to grow it since I have time. I could grow it till Tuesday. A couple more trades. This market is just melting, guys. I chase that. Hmm. Don't break the lows one more time. There we go. Are you kidding me? Are you actually kidding me right now? There we go. Okay. I was gonna move the target down. It's 1 o'clock. I don't know if I could do it, guys. I would like to pass it today, so then Monday I could start a new one, but I'll probably pass this with the opening range trade on Monday. I can't afford any more evals because of trading. Alpine Trader. Got my payout approved today. Apex Trades, congrats. That's huge. How long did you wait to get approval? You requested it last night? Like midnight? Or this morning? Very nice. I was gonna request it last night. But I was so tired and I was gonna stay up till midnight, and then I was like, if I fall asleep, I fall asleep. And then I wanted to do it on stream anyway, so I requested my payout, but I didn't get it approved yet. Damn. What a freaking volatility. But you see how like I'm not reading the market the way I did earlier? Like this might be a sign to like call it. Because 300 bucks, I could just make that on Monday. And I'll just get this account on Tuesday. It would be nice to start with this account on Monday, but I was $50 away from, if you're just tuning in, I was $50 away from passing this eval. And I took a loss. So now I took a loss, and then I was like $800 away, and now I'm $300 away again. Double bottom. From where? This was a double bottom and it failed, so I don't know. Could work. Six ticks. RK, welcome to the club. It's Friday. You got all month. This is just an eval, so I can't really take a loss. I already took a loss. I was so excited, guys, that I didn't lose a single funded account this week. And then 10 o'clock, I chased like an idiot. And that account didn't have a full drawdown, and it stopped me out. Luckily, that was one of the accounts that was not qualified for a payout, so it's whatever, but it's just still disappointing. Keeps making me want to chase. All right, sorry. We're gonna keep trying. We're gonna keep trying. You missed what? You didn't miss much. Mm-mm. One second, guys. 1 second. Wow, what a bounce. I just missed that. I was sending an email. How can I trade different number of contracts? You just gotta do the math. Like if I trade 2 contracts on this one, 1.5 means it's gonna trade 3 contracts. If I want to trade 6 contracts, it's 3 times. If I want to trade 1 contract, if I'm trading 2 here and I want to trade 1 contract here, then I just do 0.5. So just do the math. I don't. The code and the YouTube has nothing to do with that, Mr. Rich. Because if I said you could be as good as me, then I would sell you the course or sell you the strategy. Unfortunately, with the prop firms and how they work is that if you give out an edge, they might bend the edge. They might just say no scalping, no trading the open, or something like that. And I show enough, I have proof of it because I have friends and people in my Discord and a couple people that are not even in the Discord, or maybe they are. I don't know. Some people don't have the same username, but they trade the opening trade and they get payouts. I scalp as well, Mr. Rich Goodwin. Okay, I scalp. I haven't scalped last week. I've made, how do you think I've made, I forget which account it was on. One of these accounts in the 3,000, 4,000 is not even on 10 days. It's on 8 days and it's in 4,000 and 3,000 and basically over 4,000 or close to 4,000. Do you think that's from the open? No, that's from open and scalping. I lose accounts when I scalp more often lately, but it doesn't mean I don't make money. All right, so then don't watch. What is the problem? Just don't watch. You are just jealous because you probably want the strategy and you can't. All right, I'm a fake then. That's fine. Call me whatever you want. I'm not here to teach you anything. He's just a loser, probably can't get a single payout and is just upset with himself. That's probably what it is. Tim. Hey, it wasn't me. I didn't ban anyone. Yeah, he's just pissed off. He must have a tough day. Major penalty for fighting. No, the Discord's free. Mm -mm -mm. All right, it's 1:15. No, I'm not gonna be late. I don't really have to leave till like 3:30. But I still gotta prep, and I hate rushing. So I want to relax, eat. I didn't eat yet, and I gotta get my clothes ready, and I gotta prep one of my other guys. So I gotta meet him at storage. So there's a bunch of things I gotta do, but it's not like I'm gonna be late. He's only on the 5-minute timeout. Apparently, that's what Tim said. I didn't ban him. I don't really ban anyone unless they're a scammer. All right, guys. Rich Goodwin, you are join the members club and you'll see my live trades. It's $5. Go for it. I shared the open so many times. Watch the live stream from 2 days ago. Rich, you are just sour loser. I mean, you are a sour loser. Nah, I just block him at this point. He's a loser. I'll ban him myself. It doesn't even faze me, to be honest. That's why I react to it. Like most YouTubers just don't, they just ban people like that. I actually prove my point and then I ban them. He's someone that can't make trading work, so he takes it out on other people. That's exactly what he's probably. He could be a kid. I mean, he could be older. Who knows? He could be in his 30s too. Just not successful in life or something. I don't know. But he wants to be a keyboard warrior, and like someone else said, he's just barking. And guess what? The weakest dogs bark the most. That's how it works. I've been open about not teaching how to trade. I'm just trading and showing my journey. That's all it is. It doesn't make a difference if I make videos about my P&L or if I trade live. I feel like trading live is easier because I don't have to edit videos. I don't have to film videos. I just enjoy. And obviously, the affiliates and all that stuff could be, it's a part-time income. And I've been doing YouTube for 6 years now, 7 years. This is like the first time I could actually make money with YouTube. So I never started YouTube for money. It's like everything happens in your life organically. That's like, I don't know. I'm not even going to get into it, but he's just. That's the thing. Anyone could earn money from affiliates. Anyone could start a YouTube channel. And if you're going to put the time and effort in, and then you're going to get the viewership, you're going to make money. And if I was not making money trading, right? If I wasn't making money trading, guys, I would be signed with either My Funded Futures or with Top Step. And I would get a monthly check. And I wouldn't really care about my trading. But I knew that I won't be able to make the money. What if they give me 10 grand a month, 15 grand a month, 20 grand a month? Okay, give me 20 grand a month. That's great. But I could make 40, 50 grand a month trading. So I'd rather have that plus the affiliate. It's going to add up to more than that. So it's like, and then I don't have to lie about, oh, I love Top Step. Top Step's the best. I trade all prop firms and I show you guys Apex is the best for me. And I show you the proof of it. I trade with all the prop firms and I'm able to make the most money with Apex because of how they're structured. That's all. Oh man, what a reversal here. I think we might have missed the train. Let's talk about the giveaway. What are the conditions to enter? You do not have any restrictions. You just enter when the giveaway is happening, and the only conditions to win are you have to be present and you have to have Venmo or PayPal. That's all. Uh, Kurt, no, I do not. I came from trading small caps. So besides level 2 and the chart, I didn't use anything. So I love using just the chart. Um, the open was a little bit tricky today, but I think both sides would have won. I I like the long because of how extended we were to the downside, but all right, guys, 130. I definitely will not be able to finish this account today. Yep, I've been using the 20 seconds since yesterday afternoon. I like it. So we're almost back to where we were before we took the loss here. Damn, another 20 minutes now will pass. I still gotta flip all the accounts. I don't have time. You'll take care of me. You'll take care of my flips. I feel like Lost in Heaven, I think you bring up a good point. Being a loser is someone that is a has a victim mentality. I think that's what being a loser means. You blame the market. You blame everything around you except yourself. That's being not profitable is a learning experience. It's part of the journey, right? It's part of the for every time you fail, you learn something, right? So it's not a failure, it's just a lesson. So it's not really it's two different mentalities, you know? But people want to be victims. They want to feel like you know, oh, Apex is a scam because I can't get a payout, and the trailing drawdown is a scam, and they pay you out based on other people's failures, so they're a scam. It's like, come on now. If you were making money, you would not be calling them a scam, because they'll pay you out, and then people are just, I don't know. Uh, Peter, maybe a little bit, but that's every prop firm. That is every prop firm. See how Nutty's doing.
The impatience. Hey, Alpine. How we doing, man? How we doing? Good to see you. Hopefully, did you secure? Did you submit your payouts request yesterday then, or at midnight? I know you were thinking about it. You're the like police. The like police is here. Hit the like. You'll get arrested. I love it. All right. Now we might regret getting out of that a little bit early. Only the 10K. I got 32 and a half total between knox and Apex if I do well on Monday. Let's go, Alpine. That's awesome. That's an awesome month. I got all of my accounts across the threshold now, so we have officially secured 30K for the month. I love it. I can't believe that I actually get to talk about taking payouts. I feel like such an adult. I feel like a big boy. Oh, that's just that payout window. Oh wow, let's go, Alpine. Let's go. That's awesome, Alpine. I thought you were gonna have a down month. The heck with that.
Yeah, I thought I was gonna have a bad month.
Let's go, Alpine. Let's go. I love to have like a friendly competition. I know it's not gonna happen, but it'd be really fun to just have like a friendly competition between me and Alpine to see who can get the most payouts in a year. That would be fun. I'm quite a bit behind the 8 ball though, so I don't think that's gonna happen this year. That's awesome, Alpine though. Congrats.
That doesn't sound like Alpine. All right, guys. I am gonna call it because I gotta go to work. Unfortunately, I gotta do adult things and go to work. Oh God. All right. One more long. I gotta go make $500 today working a photo booth. Well, I got another photo booth somewhere else at a wedding that pays well, so still a good day. Good week. Everything adds up. The best way to make a lot of money is have multiple streams of income, and I said after COVID, I'm never gonna complain about working, so I'm not complaining. Because during COVID, like I had no work, and it was the most depressing time of my life. So I said I'll never complain about work again. So what you just heard me say a few minutes ago does not count. Okay, that wasn't me talking. I'm excited to work today. And Q Addict, yeah, it's only profit. I do DJing and photo booths. So today I have a couple photo booth jobs. Photo booths don't pay as well as DJing, but it's good extra income. And typically I don't do the jobs. I have employees that do them. But today I'm short staffed, so I have to go do it. Do I use Pioneer DJ 2000s? No, I use Rain 4. I used to use CDJs back in the day. CDJ 900s I used to use, which is the smaller version of 2000s. They don't make them anymore. All right, guys, be careful out there. 2 hours left. I'll catch you guys on Sunday afternoon or Sunday evening. We'll do a giveaway and drink a beer, have fun. All right, guys. Thanks for tuning in. And next week's going to be tough. Next week, I have a gig on Tuesday. So Tuesday is definitely going to be a shorter stream. Wednesday is definitely going to be a shorter stream, if I even stream. Wednesday, I have to go to New York City for a photo booth. I got to leave at like 1 p.m. So if I got to leave at 1 p.m., I would have to end the stream at like 11:30. But then Thursday, we should be back on schedule. Thursday, Friday. Monday will be normal. And then Thursday, Friday will be normal. But Tuesday, Wednesday is going to be tough. I'll definitely stream for a little bit, but. All right, guys. I'm so tempted to take this long, and I'm not going to. I'm going to flip the other accounts. So let me just. I'm just going to make a bot, and I am going to flip all the accounts. A bot is what Quant Tower calls the copy trader. So I'm just going to add all the accounts that I have not traded today into that, and then I'll just flip them. It's 123. All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a trade for 1 tick. All right, so that's the flip. So I lose 50 cents. So now the accounts that I requested payout from today, this counts as a day number 1 for those accounts. Even though I requested the payout today, it still counts as day number 1 because yesterday was day number 10, not today, right? So yesterday was day number 10. The accounts close at 5 p.m. So at 6 p.m., I'm at 10 days. And then since the payout window started at midnight, I requested the payouts this morning, but now this is day number 11 for the account. So we'll start the next cycle of payouts. That's why I like to flip. Even though it's still pending, I don't want to trade them. I'm just going to flip them for a couple of days, and that gets me a jump start. It's not a huge deal right now because we got plenty of time for the payout for April 5th. But when you're on a tight schedule between payouts, then it's important to flip when you're waiting for the approval. So that way, at least you get the 2 days out of the way. And then if you get approved, if you have 8 days left, then you could at least get the payout. That's a little trick. Thank you, Addict. I don't know what you mean by that. How can the loss affect the consistency rule? I'm not sure what you mean by that. Um, it's gonna count for the account balance. So yes, it's gonna count against you. No. Your payout will not be approved if you cancel the account before it's approved. Thank you, Addict. If you let's say have $1,000 day, right, as your biggest day, and you make money every single day, and with $1,000 day, you have to make $3,300 to be at 30%. You're at $3,300, right? And then one day you lose $500. Now you're gonna be at $2,800 in profit. That's gonna put you under the consistency rule. What happened to you with the glitch has nothing to do with that because you made that loss back. All right, guys, I gotta go. It's almost 2 o'clock. Unfortunately, I can't answer any more questions. 45 minutes behind schedule. Much love and appreciate you guys tuning in. I'll see you guys on Sunday. Sunday is a Q&A stream, so join me on Sunday. Answer any questions you guys have. And yeah, unfortunately, it's Friday and I gotta work. So, all right, guys, take care and peace out. Hit the like on your way out, and I'll talk to you guys soon.